Victoria is trialling a new app which will make it easier for those returning to the state to quarantine at home. That's the hope anyway. 867 new COVID infections were recorded in Victoria yesterday, the state's highest daily figure since the beginning of the pandemic.
Home quarantine is about to become easier for those returning to Victoria. The state government is trialling a new app which promises to streamline the process.
It will be an easy and less fuss way of making sure that people are all doing the right thing, protecting themselves and protecting the community.
Those who are currently in home isolation are able to take part in a 4-week pilot program. Participants who download the app will be sent random alerts asking them to check in with a selfie. The image will be checked alongside location technology to prove their whereabouts.
The app only uses the selfie and the location at the time that people check in. And as I say, you've got 5 minutes from the alert to provide that advice back.
The tool will be used alongside random visits and will hopefully make it easier for Victoria to reopen its border with New South Wales and allow more international arrivals sooner.
We'll make sure that that rollout of the National Cabinet decision about alternatives to hotel quarantine can be applied as soon as possible.
Victoria has now surpassed New South Wales when it comes to daily coronavirus cases, recording 867 new local infections on Tuesday, as well as 4 deaths. Sunday and Monday's caseload has also been revised up after a third-party computer glitch misreported 149 infections, meaning Monday's tally was also in the 800s rather than 700s.
That's 149 cases out of over 2.5 million. It's still 149 too many, but it's a small, very small percentage.
There's fresh concern for the Latrobe Valley in Gippsland in southeastern Victoria, which has recorded 12 new coronavirus cases believed to be linked to an illegal gathering over the AFL Grand Final long weekend. The Health Minister has refused to rule out a targeted lockdown.
It's very serious. This is a part of Victoria that has been pretty well protected from COVID over the course of the last 20 months. There's increased testing going on.
New infections have also been tied to a construction site in Richmond.
Up to 250 people were working on that site at any one time. So with other workplace contacts and of course social and household contacts, we're well over 300 primary close contacts.
The silver lining is that Victoria is edging closer to reaching its 80% single dose vaccination target, which will trigger a modest easing of restrictions. Julia Bradley, Sky News, Melbourne.